Mary Moppet's Guild, a STEAM learning lab. What is a magnet? A magnet is an object that can pull certain types of metal towards itself. This invisible force of magnets is called magnetism. Let's explore magnetism by building a magnetic car. The materials needed are two magnets, a small box, tape, skewer sticks, straw, clay and wheels. If you do not have wheels, cut out cardstock. Use cardstock to cut them out into circles and you can use that. Now, first tape using the clay, tape one of the magnets outside the box. Cut the straw into two pieces to match the size of the box. Tape the straw onto the outside of the box. Now push the skewer stick through the straw and attach the wheels onto the ends. Our car is now ready. Place the car on a flat surface and use the other magnet to push and pull the car. What happens here? Magnetism is a force of attraction or repulsion between substances made of certain materials like iron, nickel, cobalt and steel. Magnetic field is the region around a magnet where a magnetic force can be detected. Every magnet has two opposite poles, a north pole and a south pole. The north pole of a magnet the north pole of a magnet attracts the south pole of other magnets but repels the north pole, repels or pushes away the north pole of other magnets. Similarly, the south pole of a magnet attracts the north pole of other magnets and repels the south pole. That is, like poles of a magnet repel and unlike poles attract. This force of attraction and repulsion between the magnets is used to cause the movement of the car. That is, you can see here when we take a north pole close to the south pole of the magnet placed on top of the car, it pushes it away. When we take the north pole close to the south pole of the magnet on top of the car, it gets attracted and the car is pulled towards us. Likewise, when we take the south pole of the magnet close to the south pole of the magnet on top of the car, it is pushed away. It repels it and it pushes the car away. If you have a toy car at home, you can tape a magnet to the car and use another magnet to push and pull the car. Here I have another magnet which has 4 wheels attached to it. It just looks like a small magnetic car. See what happens when I bring another magnet close to it. The like poles of a magnet repel and the unlike poles attract. Magnetism can cause an object to float above the ground because it is pushed up by the magnetic force. Example of this is maglev trains. Have fun exploring magnetism. See you soon on the next session of Merry Mopeds Guild.